Hello friends, my name is K. Tarun Kumar. I am studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we are discussing about subject name is Computer Aided Engineering Drawing. Okay, in this video we will discuss the problem of isometric projection. The question is like this again. Hemisphere of 40 diameter is supported coaxially on the vertex of the core. This diameter 60 and axis length of 50 The flat circular face of the hemisphere is facing upside from the isometric voltage of combination, and here first we need to check the object. Here the object are given on the hemisphere and another one is cone. The bottom object is gone on the place that the base is resting on the floor and effects is upside on the top of axis. The hemisphere place at the circular part of the hemisphere is resting on the apex. The flat surface should be staying the upside, so likely we need to make combination. So first we will start with the cone. At the bottom of the cone, construct the cone. First, we need to construct the circular face of a cone bottom. Circular face of the cone. Now we have the given the diameter of base is 60 millimeters. The key one that you can see in the question, the base of 60 we need to construct. How to construct the circular and isometric construct? Circular object is isometric. First we need to construct the frame, that is square frame given diameter. So here given diameter is 60, so I need that construct the square frame of 60, but the take line option in the normal line because that is a construction part. Only after getting the circle that we need to make it visible. So click it here, and the length we have to given 60 diameter and angle is 30, and again 60 150, 60 minus 150, 60 30 frame. After getting the frame construct, then we use the arc method here to construct. We need to get four arcs to construct the fourth segment of the circumference of that circuit. So first we will how to get the centers. First the top corner and bottom, and the bottom corner itself become the two centers, and remaining is intersection of the line. How to get that in intersection of lines? Here we need to take the bottom corner and we need to draw the line opposite edges. These are two opposite edges. To the midpoint we need to draw normal lines. See like this, one and the quarter, again the bottom corner, and take another opposite edge and draw the line to the midpoint of that thing. From top corner to bottom two edges to the midpoint we need to draw line. Okay, like this total we need draw the four line. And now the centers of the are the top corner one, and this is two, and this is one. There is three, and this one is four. Now go to the arc by center point. In the option we have our base and center point is select the option, and then go to visibility because the is the profile actual the circular portion of phone and cone. And once we select the center point of the visible line, go the bottom corner. First click it center, and then our segment should be start from this midpoint to another midpoint. Like this we have to draw star segment, and again go to the top corner and draw the from the bottom midpoint between the midpoints. And now the right side, this is the intersection. We have to take it right side. We have to take this right point the starting point, and we need to end up here. So right segment on the left side, then go to the center, and from the remaining portion we need to take it, and like this the circular portion of the cone we got it. Now we need to give the height the get apex. So we need to give the height given. Height is after a construct. We can delete this whatever the lines we join midpoints, the go to the normal line. Draw the diagonal line to get midpoint. Draw the diagonal, and here can easily get the midpoint. The height of the phone to give us 50. So from the corner of the line we need to give the height 50 and angle is 90. After finishing that, go to the line visible from the apex top of line. We draw the tangent to the bottom circular face of the chord like this. We need to draw the tangent, two tangents to either sides. Once you finish the tangent, then we need to delete error segments what are coming behind the cone object. So portion inside, and we can trim the segment coming behind that. Okay, now the cone portion is finished. Now we need to construct the hemisphere. So hemisphere is like the entire sphere is cut it to the half and one more circular face we can see. Same way how to construct the circular face of the cone. Here every sphere also we construct the same method. Now go to the normal line and hemisphere, they given diameter 40. So diameter bottom is we need to construct the frame of 40 square frame of 40 angle common enter and is 30. And again angle 40, diameter 40 and 150, 40 minus 150, then 40 minus 130 minus 30. Okay, now go to the bottom corner, draw the line to the opposite edge midpoints of the opposite edges, and from top corner to bottom which is midpoint like this we need to draw the flag. And now go to the arc by center point and visible line, take the bottom corner center and draw the arc two midpoints, and same way take the top corner and draw the arc between the bottom midpoints and the right side segment. Take the right finger and once you finish you can zoom the remaining the hemisphere. This is circular portion of the bottom. We will get the curve. To get the curve we need to draw the actual dimensions. Go to the line, normal line, to get the point. Okay, next is what is hemisphere. The center of hemisphere under the axis the coaxial. This is the one line, but what height the same space should be placed. The height should be taken with respect to whatever the radius again base, because the body at the bottom will get the curve surface will come the end of the curve surface will touches the apex. So the distance between center to the curve surface will be radius. So that's why we go to center line, and from top of this we need to give radius of time. This one given diameter radius is how much, 40 means radius is 20. So give the align to the center line of is 20 radius of diameter. Now we need to place this center on the top of this. Moreover we need to construct the bottom curves, right? Circular surfaces will having actual true dimension, but here all the dimensions will take through. First we need to convert the entire combination of isometric, and then we need to draw the bottom curve. So that you first we place this circular face on the top of this. Go to remove switch of the copy select this entire object from the midpoint. Go to the midpoint, then you have to click. It will be started clicking it and place it at the top of this line. So we have place like once you place you can delete all these reference lines whatever will be constructed. Keep the center because we need to draw a curve there. Go to scale option, select entire object, scale practice, and now after placing this we need to draw out actual dimension. So go to the hard go at the visible line and then give the radius 20 because diameter is selected the center, and from here we need to draw the hard segment, and then we go to the trim. The inside portion is coming on here because when you take convert it also iso, when you take actual dimension will not touch the actual technical is not touch. We can join this smooth line. So go to the line, select this and join draw a time into this. So like you can place it, and is how the